All right, welcome back. Who doesn't love learning an easy recipe, especially if it caters to the kids? That's exactly what our guest, Aaron Philippi, is dishing up in his new cookbook. Welcome, Aaron. The title of your new book is One Cook, Many Mouths, an amateur cookbook for single parents who hate cookbooks. Is that your experience?
Yeah, about 3 years ago after going through a divorce, I just started writing about this experience of now being the sole person who's responsible for cooking on a daily basis. So,
how do you want your recipes to help families?
they're super simple. So the idea is every recipe is designed to be easy and quick in the kitchen so they can spend more time with their family.
All right, so I asked you before we came back from commercial if you're a cook, if you're an author, but you're both.
Well, kind of, but I mean amateur author, or amateur, well, both. Amateur cook and amateur author for sure. I mean, these recipes are as simple as chips and guac to stew and crock-pot meals. So they're super simple.
Okay.
So I don't know that I call myself a cook.
Okay, well, when the viewer was coming out of the commercial, they probably heard you pulling off the tin foil. What are we looking at here?
Oh, yeah. So this is just one example of how simple some of these recipes are. It's literally just rice and beans and pork. So it's about as easy as it gets. I mean, all said and done, maybe 25 minutes cooking time.
What do the kids think?
I mean, not bad. They seem to be okay with it. I've never made a meal when kids are hungry that they don't like. So, I mean, even something as simple as this. And, you know, if they don't eat this, then they can fend for themselves, basically.
Yeah. I mean, we got a microwave out there. I don't know. Did you bring a fork or anything?
I didn't. No, I didn't. But, yeah.
What else do you want parents to know about this and the message you want to send to families?
Yeah, it has 43 recipes. They are super simple. It's for people who, like me, don't have a cooking background but have that daily obligation of cooking for people. So it's super simple. And then there are also some personal insights in there about divorce and just being, feeling that pressure as a single parent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What other recipes do you have in here?
Yeah. So, like I said, it's organized in no cooking, barely cooking, and crocking. So it's stuff like this, which is barely cooking. I mean, it's really simple. And then crock potting is, just putting stuff in the crock pot and let it sit for 7 or 9 hours.
That's why I got one for Christmas.
Yeah.
Where can we get this book?
So you can get it on Amazon. You can search by the title or by my name, if you can spell that, AARONFILIPI. It's also on aaronphilippi.com, and then it's available physically in town at a gift shop called RSVP in Rockbrook Village. And it's being reviewed by other local bookstores too.
Well, that's great. aaronphilippi.com. Before we go, what recipe are you making lately out of this book?
I don't think you can ever go wrong with breakfast. So I love Crockfest, where you just put some tater tots down and cover it with cheese and bacon bits and do that a couple times, throw in some seasoning and like a milk and egg recipe or egg mixture, and it's good to go. Yeah.
Well, it's about lunchtime, so let's go warm this up. Aaron, thanks for coming by.
Thank you, Ryan.
aaronphilippi.com. We'll have more news after the break here on KETV News Watch 7 at noon.